So let us start with some numericals, okay, of the beam. Let me share the screen. So I hope this problem you all can able to solve it. So students, can you able to solve this problem? Find the reactions at the support for the following beam as shown in the figure. So should you able to do it or should I help?
So we are doing it.
Sir, we can do.
You just do it and tell me what answer you are getting. Why best students can also able to do this problem?
सर एक बार FBD बना दीजिएगा सर.
Okay. I am writing step by step, okay? You have to follow the steps. Step number 1 is making FBD of support, okay? This is how you have to make. You can't skip any steps. You have to make every step properly. So at the point A, we have hinge support. So we will be making here hinge support. rest diagram we have to make the same. Okay, this is the ability of the step number 1. Step number 2 says that resolving UDL and UVL into point load. Fine. So here you have to resolve UDL UVL into point load. So I am making it in the second sheet here. HA, VA, and you can see this is a force 100 kilonewton at 75 degrees. So we will change its value. This will be 100 sin 75. This will be 100 cos 75. Then this point is H. After that we have 2 points here, C and D. Then we have 2 points here, E and F. And this and this, and here it is RB. So let me explain how all these things comes. This will be CD. It's simple here. Distance here is 2 meter. So this will be 100 kilonewton, and this will be half 3 into 25. So how much it will be? Half 3 into 25. That means 75 by 2, or you can say 37.5. Okay. So the rest are the distances we have to make. 2 meter. Here it was 1 meter. Here it will be, this is point G1, let us say, and this point is G2, let us say. So this will be 1 meter, and this will again will be 1 meter, and D2E point will be 1 meter. This point will be 1 meter. This point will be 2 meter, and the remaining point will be 2 meter. So I will explain the second step again. We have to resolve UDL even into point load. So for the UDL part, total load will be how much? That will be 50 into distance is 2 meter, so 100 kilonewton, and point of application for this UDL, that will be CG of total length of UDL. Okay, so what is the CG of the total length of UDL? That is 2 meter, so that will be 2 by 2 is 1 meter. Similarly, we have to resolve UVL into point load. So total load will be how much? Area of load triangle. So this will be half into, you can see distance is 3 meter, and it is coming from 25 and it is extending up to 0. So this will be how much? 37.5 kilonewton. If we are talking for its point of application will be CG of total length of UVL. So what is the CG? I have told you, I have already told you from the vertical end, if we are going there, then this distance will always be 1 by 3 of L, and this distance always will be 2 by 3 of L. This will be 1 meter, and this will be 2 meter. So I have written it there. You can see on the top. Now, step number 3. This was the step number 2. Okay. We have discussed step number 1. We have discussed step number 2. Now, step number 3 is that applying equation of statics. Okay. So when you are applying the equation of statics, summation Fx is equal to 0. You can see how many forces are there in the horizontal direction, HA and 100 cos 75. There are two forces here. So from here you can get the value of HA. That will be minus 100 cos of 75. This will be Newton, and tell me the value. Because it is minus, the direction will be like that.
Minus 25.88.
25.881 towards the left.
25.81. Okay, good. So this will be the direction of HA. Fine. So now we will calculate VA. Summation Fy is equal to 0. For that, what we have to do? VA minus 100 sin 75, because it downward, minus 100 minus 37.5 and plus RB. This should be equal to 0. This is equation number 2. And let us say this is equation number 1. Now coming to moment equation, we will calculate the moment at the point A is equal to 0. So I have already told you, clockwise we will take negative, anti-clockwise we will take positive. So moment equation, when we are calculating it, HA into 0, VA into 0. After that, you can see this force is 175 and the distance is 2 meter, and since is clockwise, that will be minus 175 into 2. Then this is 100 kilonewton force. This is also clockwise. So 2, 3, 4. That will be minus 100 into 4. After that, you can see 37.5. What is the distance here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 meter is the distance, but the sense is clockwise. So minus 37.5 into 7. And then last one is RB. Plus RB into distance is how much? You can see here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 and 1, 11. So this into 11, this should be equal to 0. So this is equation number 3. So from equation 2 and 3, we can get the value of.
So it is coming 81.19.
VA.
Yes, sir, 81.19.
Okay, very good.
And the resultant is 85.214 at an angle of 72.31.
Okay. So tell me, this is RB, not resultant. Last one.
Last one was okay. The resultant. So you want VA?
I wanting RB, this one.
RB.
Sir,
RB.
30.06.
30.0.
My is coming
Both are-
85.214.
32.18.
Check the answer once again. Both are positive.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So both are positive and direction will be upward. Now check the values once again. HA is okay, 25.88. And check for the VA and RB once again what you are getting. VA and RB once again check it, whether you are getting the same value or not.
सर मेरा इससे काफी डिफरेंट आ रहा है.
You check your calculation part.
Sir, is this answer right which you have written on the screen?
No, because I am not aware of the answer, because I have just generated this question right now in
Sir,
front of
I'm
you.
getting VB is 73.08. VB.
This
Matlab, RB.
VB, this one 73.0.
088.
Sir, I'm getting it as 69.008.
Check it
And
once again.
VA 32.18.
Remaining students, please check once again whether you are getting the above value of VA or this below value, or RB what you are getting, because I have generated the question right now in front of you, so I don't have the answer of this question. But if you have applied the equations correctly, then just check your calculator part. Check your calculator part only, then if is any issue there in that or not. HA is fine, 25.88 for everyone.
Yes, sir.
This equation, after this equation, the other two equations are correct, and check your calculator and put the values once again. You should have got the same values. All should have to get the same values. Either of the one is correct.
RB sir 77.78 आ रहा है.
Yes, sir. Mine too. 77.78.
Yes, sir. 77.78.
This one you are getting RB. Every student is getting this one.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
let us, yeah,
77.78.
let us assume these two are wrong. So this is correct. Okay. RB is this. Now calculate the value of VA. Calculate the value of VA what you are getting.
Sir, minus 36.89.
VA.
Yes, sir.
That means downward. So you all please check it once again whether you are getting the same value VA or not.
So I have solved and the answer you have written previously 30.06 kilonewton. I am getting the same.
For RB,
Yes, sir.
So I'm getting VA 156.303 upward.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
so listen,
156.3.
listen,
156.
listen students. I have not calculated it. I have just generated this question here. My aim is only to give you the equations correct. Okay. And after equations, you have to put only in the calculator. If you are getting the different values, that is, you are committing some mistake in calculation. Try to check it by yourself once again because I don't have the exact answer of these questions because I have not, I have just generated this question right now in front of you with the values. Okay. So please check the values once again what you are finally getting. But the approach is correct. Equations are to be like that. There are three questions. So should I proceed to next question now? Concept is clear to you everybody? How you have to solve this problem? Concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
This is how you have to solve UDL, UVL and then apply the equation of statics and after that you have to put the values in the calculator and get the values correctly. If you are not getting it correctly, that means some problem is there. So now I am giving you one more problem. So I hope that you can do it without my help. So this is the next problem. So here is again you have to calculate RA RB and HA. यानी कि you have to calculate the reaction at the support. Fine. Try to solve it.
HA क्या है?
Yes.
HA
Horizontal direction force. This one here. You can say this is VA, HA and RB. Should I give a hint or you are able to solve it?
Solving.
This is very important because from the beam question, one question of 10 marks every time comes.
On H it's 100 Newton or 180 Newton?
Answer?
No, sir, the force acting at 80 degrees. It is
It's
100
100.
Newton or
100. I will make the ABD after 5 minutes, okay? Let us see how much you can able to solve the step number 1 and step number 2 by yourself or not. I will make the complete FVD after 5 minutes. I am giving you 2 or 3 minutes to go to step number 1 and step number 2. Then I will make the FBD, and then you can apply the equation of statics. So I am now making the FBD. So you can cross check it whether the FBD is correct or not. Because if the FBD is not correct, then whatever you are doing further will not be correct. So this is 100 cos 80, and then we have this 40. So you can see this will be here. This will be 80. This will be 80 kilonewton, and distance will be how much? 1 meter. This distance is 1 meter, and this distance is 1 meter. This is for this one, and for second one is half 80 minus 40 into 2. That is half 80 minus 40 into 2. That will be how much? This will be 40. Okay, 40 kilonewton, and the distance from here, you can see this will be 1 meter, and from here it will be,
सर
yeah,
सर यूवीएल के लिए हाफ इंटू 80 माइनस 40 क्रॉस 2 नहीं होएगा?
तो मैंने क्या किया? I have done the same thing.
आपने G1 G2 दिखाया ना?
Let me finish first of all, then I will tell you. Okay,
ओके सर.
let me finish. This is not 1 meter, this is 2 by 3 meter, and this will be 4 by 3 meter up to here. So these two distance will be like that, and after that, at the point CD, simple there. The point CD, this 20 into 2, 40 kilonewton, and let us say this is G3. So distance will be again 1 meter and 1 meter. And what about this one? This will be RB sine RB cos. So what is the angle here? 65. 65 degree will be the angle. FBD of the complete figure. It's up to step number 2 I have made. So should I explain, or are you able to understand this part?
सर जो आपने यूवीएल का लिया था उसमें जो 80 किलोन्यूटन दिया होता वो पूरे का मास था.
See, UVL is starting from this point. Okay, here it is starting from this point and it is going up to here. So here the initial point is 40 kilonewton, you can see, and here it is 80. So we have to subtract, and we have to take from this point to this point only. So from this point to this point, area will be how much? Half into 80 minus 40. This is the load, and what is the distance here we have? Into 2 meter we have the distance. So
Okay.
that's why it is 40 kilonewton here, that I have mentioned here for the UVL part. You can see this is the 40 kilonewton. Okay, and for the UDL, you can see here this portion is UDL, this one, and what is the value of this portion? 40 kilonewton. So 40 into 2 will be how much? 80 kilonewton. So I have mentioned it here 80 kilonewton and I have mentioned here 40 kilonewton. So rest is very simple. For here it is 80, and what is the point of application? That will be center. So 2 by 2 is 1. So we have mentioned here 1 and 1. Okay. And for here you can see for the UVL, for UVL if we are going from here, from this distance will be 1 by 3 of L. So L is how much? 2. So 2 by 3 will be this distance, and what is this distance? 2 by 3 of L. So 2 by 3 into 2, that will be 4 by 3. So this is 4 by 3 meter and this is 2 by 3 meter. So I think this part is clear how we have calculated this portion, and this is the very important part here, and rest is very simple. This is 40 and this you can easily calculate here. This is nothing too much in that. Now coming to last part here, see here at the RB in this question you can see the hinge support is lying at vertical, but the roller support is inclined at a certain angle 25 degree. Okay, so we will follow this concept. You remember the concept what I have told you earlier. Reaction will always set at 90 degree to the surface. Okay, so this is 90, this is 25. How much it left? If it's right angle triangle, 90 plus 25 is how much? 115. So how much it left? It left 65. Okay, 65 plus 25, 90, 90 plus 90, 180. So this is 65. So this is your RB here. RB 65. So if I make it here, you can see this. This is RB here. RB angle here is how much? 65 with the horizontal. So same angle here it will make here. So this will be RB cos 65 and this will be RB sin 65 vertical, and this is towards the horizontal direction because as per the direction. So this is the ABD of the whole figure. Now step number 3, know it very well. Apply equation of statics. Now you have to apply equation of statics. Summation fx is equal to 0, summation fy is equal to 0, and movement at point A should be equal to 0. Now apply these 3 equations and get the values of HA, VA and VB.
Sir, I got RA as 175.123 kilonewtons, RB as 136.11 kilonewtons.
Wait, tell me once again. RA
175.12 kilonewtons.
direction,
Sir,
direction,
sir, up, like it's
upward means
65
positive.
degrees. Yes, sir.
And RB
Positive. RBA, I got 136.11 kilonewtons. Sorry, sir, it's reverse. No, yeah, 136.11 kilonewtons.
and what is HA?
HA, I got 57.52 kilonewtons.
Let us say this is VA. 56.52.
57.52.
Okay. And direction?
Sir, it's left or right side.
That side means positive.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, my HA is coming different.
So
What
mine
I
also.
I can't do anything if
My
you're getting
121.8.
listen, if you're getting different values, I can't help it because you have to apply the equation of statics and you have to use the calculator. That's it. If you are not applying the equation of statics correctly, then answer will be different. So let me go for the summation fx first. Okay, summation fx will be HA plus 100 cos 80, and what is the other force here? Minus RB cos 65. This is the equation number 1. Then for Fy, you can see that what are different forces here? VA minus 100 sin 80, then we have minus 80, then minus 40, minus 40, then we have plus RB sin 65. This is equation number 2. And after that moment equation, if you go for that, HAVA will be 0, then 100 cos 80 will again be 0, then minus 100 sin 80, into distance is how much? 2 meter. Then again minus 80 into distance is how much? Minus 80 into how much? This is 2415. Minus 80 into 5. Similarly, minus 40 into distance is how much? Up to here is the distance of this. This is 4 by 3 and this is how much? 4. That will be 4 plus 4 by 3. This is the distance. Then minus again minus 40 into 4 is how much? You can see here 4, 6, 7 and 1, 8. Then plus RB sin 65 into what is the distance here? 4, 6, 7, 9, 11 is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. If you are getting these 3 questions correct, then, and if you are not getting the same answer, that means you are computing, or you can say you are calculating via calculator is not correct. Please check these equations what I have made, and you should have the same equations in your register, and then you can go for the final answer part. And whatever the answer the student has already shown to me, if it is same, then okay. If you are getting different answers, then you can tell me. So this question is clear to you, how you have to solve this problem? Have you noted down in your register, all of you?
Sir, please
Yes,
wait.
sir.
If you're not able to find the how to solve it, please make a note of this problem in your register. Though I have explained every part, but still if you want me to explain, I can explain.
Sir, I think I did the HA wrong. It's like I got 40.15. I told 57. I think it's wrong, sir. I got 40. I think it's 40.15 kilonewtons.
HA 40.15.
Yes, sir.
So please, all of you are requested to check the answers, what you are getting, whether you are getting the same answer or not. If you are getting a different answers, then different answers means every student should have get the same answer. It's not like that 30 students are getting 30 different answers. That means something is wrong in your solution. So I hope these 2 problems are clear to you. In the coming lectures, we will discuss some more problems on beam.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you please explain the second FBD of second figure, sir? जो 100 sin 80 और 100 cos 80 के बाद वाला वो वाला बताओ.
See, this is UDL and this is the UVL. Okay. And for the UDL part, you can see here length is 40. This you can make it very easily. This is as simple as the previous one. See, I am just explaining it once again for you here. Separately, I am explaining it. This is a figure like that. Here it is 40 kilonewton per meter. So this you can easily write 40 into this distance is 2 meter. So this will be 80 kilonewton. That first figure you can see that first force ability is clear to you. This is
yes, sir.
Okay. Now coming to second one. Now the second one you can see here. This is the UVL on the UDL. This is the UVL on the UDL. So if you can see this point here, 40 kilonewton value is there, and here it is how much? 80 kilonewton value is here. That means it is starting from 40 kilonewton and it is going up to 80 kilonewton. So what is the area of the total load diagram here? Half into 2. This is 2 meter. And what about the force here? Maximum is 80 and minimum is 40. This is 40, this is 80. So we will subtract it. 80 minus 40, so this will cancel out. we will get 40 kilonewton as the UVL value in terms of point load. So we have just written it here. Okay, this is 40 kilonewton. Fine. And for the this part, you know it very well. This distance is how much? We know it very well. This is 1/3 of L, and this distance is how much? 2/3 of L. I have already told you. So here 1/3 of L means L is the total length. L is how much? 2. So 2/3 of L, and this is how much? 2 into 2/3. That means that is 4/3 of L. So this is how I have written here 4/3 and here 2/3. So it is clear now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so on next lecture we will do some more problems on beam and then one double beam problem. In two lectures we will complete with this first part of the second module. Then we will start the truss. Okay.
Sir, friction assignment.
Friction assignment I will give you later on.
And what is the last date?
Friction you have to submit after 15 days.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
And the rest of them on 19th.
Pardon?
And the rest of them, we have to submit the rest of the assignments of
19. Means first and two assignment that already I have given to you, except the friction assignment. Now coming to the attendance part. Jashandeep,
Sir, where we have to upload it?
you have to give it to CR and CR will send it to me. Just like we are doing it for the lab file. Similarly, we will do for the also. Okay. Jashandeep. So let me share this. Amit Kapoor, you attending the meeting? I think he is not there. Okay. After Jashandeep, then Rama. Rama is there or not? Divyam.
Present, sir.
Then Mohit.
Present, sir.
Shekhar Vasisht.
Present, sir.
Sahil Jain.
Present, sir.
Sahil. Then Vanshika.
Present, sir.
Vidhi.
Present, sir.
Shivansh.
Present, sir.
Hiren Sani.
Present, sir.
So what? How is your health now, Hiren?
Sir, better, sir.
How's your health? Better. Okay. Get well soon. Okay.
Yes.
Then Samir.
Present, sir.
Samir Chaudhary.
Present, sir.
Sudiksha.
Present, sir.
Sudiksha. Sudiksha not there, I think. Yash
Present,
Kapoor.
sir. Sir, Sudiksha
Yash
present.
Kapoor present.
Yash Kapoor.
Present, sir. Yash Kapoor.
Then Vanshveer Singh.
Present, sir.
Sir, I am Sudiksha. I'm present.
Present, sir. Vanshveer.
Sankirat.
Sir, Rama,
Present, sir.
your mic is not working.
Okay. Neha Goel.
Present, sir.
Parth.
Present, sir.
Aditya Rajput.
Present, sir.
The Satvik.
Present, sir.
Then Aditya Kumar.
Present, sir.
Then Prajwal Goswami.
Present, sir. Prajwal Goswami.
Shantanu Raj.
Present, sir.
Shantanu, okay.
Present.
Okay. Naman Kataria.
Present, sir.
Naman student. Then we have Yuvraj.
Yeah, present, sir.
Kushagra.
Present, sir.
Nikita.
Present, sir.
Nikita is present. Okay. Then Pragati.
Present, sir.
Arunit. Hemang.
Present, sir.
Aranand.
Present,
Then
sir. Ariman.
Aryan. Okay. Then Rakshit Malik.
Present, sir.
Aryan.
Present.
Nibir.
Present, sir.
Then Parth Bansal.
Sir, Parth Bansal present.
Bhavya Singh.
Present, sir.
Okay. So all of you can leave now. Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
have you
मेरी
marked
attendance.
me present?
Pardon?
Sir, Sudiksha, have you marked me present? There was some problem with my mic.
No.
Excuse me, sir.
Diksha.
Yes, sir.
Sir, मेरी attendance भी सब देख लेना.
हाँ अमित हाँ I will check it out.
So can you check mine once?
Name?
So Vanshveer.
Vanshveer, yes, done.
Okay. Thank you.
So mine too, Pragati.
Pragati, yes, done.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, 319.
Sahil.
Sahil also done.
Thank you, sir.
Parth Bansal.
Parth Bansal, okay.
Sir, Naman.
Naman, okay.
Thank you, sir.